What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Sticker Bomb Moto, and we out here on another moto vlog, and we on the pit bike today, man. Yeah, got the other head mount on. It's been raining, so. Oh, that's how you do it there. Stall it out, but it's been raining. Yeah, we're just working on our side-to-side balance, maybe a little coast here and there. You know, coasting's so cool, but man, is it hard. It is hard. Second gear. So yeah, we're just working on, you know, second gears, first gears, turn, that coast up, get it up coast, there we go. Yeah, he's just working on that, you know, second gear coasting, shit like that, so. But yeah, man, so what's been going on with y'all, man? I don't know how the quality is in this, with this head mount. I know it's probably not going to be that great. I'm trying to stay at slow speeds. Go down the road here real quick, see if we can't get a selfie into. Back, yeah. Once you get it, you know, you lose it. Dude, I go over to the side too. Gotta figure that part out too. I always counter my body one way. Right up like that. There we go. But once I get that one right position, it's like leaning over. Right there. Chinese bikes, man. My shit shifts so hard. I gotta stay in first to stay in second. I pick it up in second right here. I think I'm getting a little better with it, a little better. So, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Do second gear. Practice that, just swinging it up. Gas, don't let the brake a little bit. Let this guy go. Courteous to the vehicles, and hopefully they won't bother you. Not bad for a bubble in my tire. I got my tire put on. brand new tire and it's just not fitting right. Guy said it fits perfect. There ain't nothing. I can't. That don't look perfect to me. I don't know if his camera's picking it up, but getting used to it now though. Got a set of sumo tires that ran at my house. I just haven't put on because the bearings don't fit properly and I can't quite figure it out. So. Blue skies, though, gray a little bit over there, blue this way. There you go, a little coast. Lose your balance to the side, you good old bump. Practice, 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 guys. That's all I can say. I can't say that enough, man. You just got to keep practicing. Been at it now for, you know, a few months. Playing around with the wheel. He's heavy. And, we're getting there slowly but surely. Yeah, it just takes practice, guys. So, yeah, man. And, yeah, the Magic Bridge finally done. The bridge that was closed for so long, it's finally done. So, I guess I'll end my video with that, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And until my next video, man, Sticker Bomb Moto out. Deuces.